Now more than ever, we're washing our hands and cleaning our homes. And if you're anything like me, practicing good hygiene habits is really important. So today, we're giving you some great cleaning tips to maintain a healthier living space. Joining me today is Greg Weaver, Group Head Research and Development at Procter and Gamble. Welcome to Designing Spaces, Greg.
Hi, Olga. How are you?
I'm doing great, and thanks for joining us. You know, I don't know how you are at home, but I'm a freak when it comes to cleaning. I like my house to smell fresh, but today, I think it's more than just about keeping things clean. It's also about maintaining a healthy home, right?
Yeah, I mean, maintaining a healthy home, getting the job done right, now more important than ever. I mean, if you're anything like me, cleaning up spills and messes, a daily routine in my home.
And I love to cook, and I'm constantly picking up. And sometimes I go all out and I'll cook gourmet meals. So there is so much to clean.
Let me ask you this, Olga. So how might you clean up a big spill on your kitchen counter?
Well, if I'm cooking and I have a spill, I grab my dishcloth, a kitchen cloth, I wipe it down, and I'll probably rinse it off and then just move on.
Yeah. You know, I hate to tell you, but did you know that the kitchen dishcloth can be a major source of bacteria in your home? Damp and absorbent materials like wet towels can be an environment for bacteria to grow. And then kitchen messes, which can also contain bacteria, can transfer from surface to surface, even your hands, and can cause cross-contamination.
You know, that's something that we really don't think about. So let's talk about that some more. Many people just use these kitchen cloths, and with this cross-contamination that you're talking about, this may not be the best option.
There's no telling where this dishcloth has been or who's used it for what. And I'll show you today. I'll bring it to life for you. I'm going to clean up a little yogurt that I spilled on the counter here. Now, like you said, next step, go rinse it out, right?
Exactly what you're doing. Just rinse it off and use it again. That's exactly what I would do.
Yeah, all good. The problem is, again, bacteria can still continue to grow inside your dishcloth. And then the next time you use it to wipe down surfaces in your kitchen or other places in your home, you have the opportunity to redeposit that bacteria onto additional surfaces.
So we're basically doing something over and over again and making a situation worse?
Most definitely. I've got a dirty little secret for you. That yogurt that I cleaned up, I actually treated it with fluorescent molecules, just so that we could get a clear look as to how well we cleaned. So take a look. Under the black light, you can see some of the original mess I cleaned up on the counter is now visible on the cutting board. That's because some of the yogurt is still present within the towel and now redeposited onto the new surface.
You know, Greg, that really brings it to light because there are situations that we really don't see what's happening. So what's your advice in terms of keeping our house clean and healthy? What's a better solution to this?
Well, that's an easy one, Olga. Clean up the mess with Bounty paper towels and toss it in the trash, getting rid of all the mess that comes along with it. And since most of us don't wash our dishcloth after every use, it's the quick, convenient, healthier choice for a healthy home, utilizing a fresh sheet when that next mess pops up.
And it's cost effective too, because I know Bounty comes with these perforated sheets. They're fantastic. So a little goes a long way.
Yeah, Bounty Select-A-Size is amazing. It lets you customize how much you need. And it's amazing how much a little Bounty can do.
And we can use Bounty not just in the kitchen where I'm at, but in the bathrooms, bedrooms, furniture, everywhere.
Yeah, Bounty's so versatile, it can handle all the tasks in any room of your house.
So glad you joined us on Designing Spaces, Greg. Great information. A healthier way to live, a cleaner way to live, and cost effective. You can't go wrong.
You got it, Olga. Remember, for a healthy home, Bounty is the more hygienic choice and can keep your surfaces cleaner than that used dishcloth.
Love it. For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go, Greg?
They can go to bountytowels.com to learn all that they need to know.
Thanks again. You take care.
Thanks, Olga. Keep it clean out there.
And for more information on Bounty, you can also go to our website, designingspaces.tv.